In this video, we're looking at something pretty cool here today. We have the Sofirn SE1 16th Anniversary Limited Edition gift box. So if you don't know what Sofirn is, it is a pretty well-known flashlight brand. And in honor of their 16th anniversary, they've released a special edition everyday carry flashlight called the SE1. They're only making 1,000 of these, so they're going to be very limited, but they were nice enough to send one over for me to do an unboxing. Without further ado, we'll go ahead and get into the packaging and show you everything that's included. So as you can see, it starts off with just a very nice looking box. This is going to be sort of a copper themed light. So we do some pretty nice black and copper coloring details on the box. On top of that, we also have a 16th anniversary edition seal, as well as some copper details between the layers as well. So we'll just go ahead and cut through this sticker. Feels kind of bad to do, but we'll get into the box. So there we go, that seal is broken. And then we can just pull the lid off here. The first thing we see here is a really nice copper detailed Sofirn paper. Then underneath here we have quite a few exciting things. So there's a nice coin here as well. It's going to be a 16th anniversary Sofirn coin. That's of course just going to come with this collector's edition. Then we have a nice paper here with a wax seal, again with the 16th anniversary logo here. We can go ahead and open this up. Try to be careful and not rip it. Partial success, I would say. So we have a nice letter here as well. Dear Sofirn friend, thank you for standing with us through 16 years of building, learning, and improving, etc., etc. So really nice touch as well. Next we have the actual light. This is going to be really neat because it does have a copper housing to it, so that looks super nice right off the bat. But we'll of course look more at this later on. Underneath here we have a magnetic mount for it as well. This is going to of course let it kind of attach to different things. It's going to have a built-in clamp here. So you're going to be able to clamp this to your belt loop or a bracelet or necklace or something like that, giving you a pretty unique and convenient way to use the light. Underneath here it looks like we have some other accessories and things as well. So we have quite a few things in here actually, which is great. So we have another sort of box here. And inside this box there is the USB-C cable for charging the light. We have a user manual and sort of a readme guide. Then we have a necklace here. It's another way to carry the light. That's going to be pretty cool as well. And then also a keychain. So if you want to use this as a keychain, you're going to be able to do that. But having this necklace included is pretty cool as well. You can of course put this around your neck, then use a clamp here to kind of have it clamped onto the necklace here and then shining down in front of you. Apart from that, we also have a nice multi-tool, it looks like. This is going to be a carabiner. If you want to, of course, connect the light to this, you're going to be able to do that. Or you can use it standalone as well. It's going to hold all your keys and everything if you wanted to. Looks like we have a knife built in here as well, which is really cool. Then it looks like it can be used as sort of a wrench and then a screwdriver here as well. This tool by itself was really cool, so it's nice to have that included. Finally, we have a bracelet for this as well. So again, similar to using the necklace, if you want to have it around your neck, this will allow you to put this around your wrist, attach the magnetic mount, of course attach the light, and then you can sort of aim it to where you want to. As far as the actual light goes, this is certainly going to be the star of the show. It's a really beautiful light here with a fully copper housing. Nice thing about copper is also going to show some wear over time, so it's going to have a bit of personality as well. Right now, of course, it's very sparkly and beautiful, but you get some of that kind of oxidizing and patina and such as you use it over time. So it looks amazing right now, but it will look even more unique as you use it. Going through the actual light, we have the power button on the top here, then a USB-C port for charging it on the side. There's a nice Sofirn logo at the base, and then a nice SE1 here as well. If you order this from their website, yours will say a number out of 1,000 on the back, indicating it is limited out of 1,000. And the number will be unique to your exact light, because again, they're only making 1,000 of these. And as far as functionality goes, there's a couple of different modes here. We can just push it once to, of course, turn it on. It's going to give us a very nice bright 300 lumen beam. It's going to be about 10 times the brightness and go 10 times as far as your phone's flashlight. Just to give you an idea, so 300 lumens is really solid for something so small. We can push it again to turn it off, and if we double tap it here, it will actually activate this little ring here on top. So if you want a very small light, it's almost like a black light it looks like, but essentially just going to activate a really small little light here in case you don't want the full brightness. We can push the power button again to turn that off. And then we also have a nice locking mode here as well. So if we triple tap the power button, 1, 2, 3, it will kind of flash indicating it's locked. So now if I try to push this power button, it would just flash saying that it's locked. That's going to prevent you from accidentally turning it on in a bag or something similar and wasting the battery, so it's very nice to be able to lock it. To unlock it here, we just triple tap the same button. That will turn it on. Then we can push it again to turn it off, and now we'll have it unlocked. So super simple to use, a couple different modes here. But apart from the absolutely incredible build quality and look to it, also of course comes with all these different accessories. And on top of that is a very capable flashlight for the size. The bottom is also magnetic, which will make it very convenient to stick onto metal surfaces if you want to. And of course it will allow it to work with mounts such as this, so you can use this mount, clamp it onto things, or use it of course with an included bracelet or a necklace. So super versatile if you want to of course attach it as a keychain as well. There's a little space for this lanyard here. You can kind of just put this through this hole here, then attach it either to this part or to your normal keys, that sort of thing, which will not only actually look really good on your keys, but it will ensure you have a very powerful flashlight wherever you go.